and welcome to the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast, where we explore how technology, AI, and cybersecurity are reshaping the way we work. This segment of our tour, we are back at it again, live in London, interviewing top IT leaders. Each episode, we're going to bring you insights from real leaders and industry experts on how organizations can navigate today's challenges and unlock tomorrow's opportunities. From making sense of complex data, to simplifying IT environments, to delivering real business outcomes, Lenovo is helping businesses of every size reimagine what's possible. Join us as we dive into the future of work. Work Reborn. Let's go. Hello, welcome to the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast, live here in London. My name is Rita, and I'm here with my new friend DJ. DJ, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank
Great.
you.
We're going to talk a little bit about AI today. And DJ, for the listeners or viewers of the podcast, do you mind introducing yourself, who you are, and what you do?
Yeah, my name is Djeakandane Govindane. I work as the lead architect for one of the biggest bank in the Scandinavian region. So that's the basic introduction. I'm basically from India, but I moved to Sweden like 15 years back.
Okay, amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to talk a little bit about how we've recently conducted a report. We interviewed over 600 senior IT leaders about AI, cybersecurity, and a lot more. But one of the things we found from the report was regarding the IT environment. So we found that the complexity of the IT environment was ranked as the #1 barrier to using AI for security. Does that align with your experience? What are some of the challenges and obstacles that you've been going through with your organization?
Yeah, I think I align with the complexity behind the IT landscape, because if you take the bigger organizations, they've been in the IT for quite a long time, and they have quite a lot of legacy systems, which is part of the IT infrastructure. So you have across various technologies, right from Java or mainframe or Pega or Microsoft. So you have a variety of technologies. That's definitely a big challenge when it comes to AI, to unite all those and getting it into one single place and move forward. That is one of the biggest concern. I mean, yeah, the spread of IT infrastructure across various technologies, and yeah, uniting this, that is definitely a key challenge for us. And also the next challenge is the privacy concerns of the customers, and we don't want to reveal any of the identity. And the third one probably, I mean, it's more towards the cloud sovereignty. I mean, yeah, we wanted to keep the data safe in EU, and we don't want to go beyond that. So that's also biggest concern. But the IT landscape is definitely one of the biggest concerns what we have right now. But we are trying to address as much as possible, and we are doing a lot of proof of concepts. So it's going good so far.
If implemented and addressed properly, what are some positive outcomes you hope that AI within the IT landscape could help achieve? Like, let's say, best case scenario, you're able to overcome those obstacles. What are some hopes or goals you have output from that?
Yeah, I think, yeah, there are several use cases on that. Basically, if you look at currently, so we have kind of, when you try to automate certain things using your data, which comes from various sources from the customers. Previously, I mean, everything used to be quite manual.
Right.
But now we kind of automated it, and it reduces significant people, I mean, across the organization. I mean,
So
so now,
automation
yeah,
is
everything is done by AI, by 80% of the thing. I mean, in some areas, not in every area. So then we do a review, like the next 20%, and make sure the content is right. So yeah, I mean, definitely it is helping us a lot when it comes to the AI and cloud journey.
awesome. So, from your perspective, I'm curious to hear, we talk a lot about the future of work. Like, what does the future of workspace look like? And we have a saying at Lenovo, we say we're bringing new life to the modern workplace. So what does the next generation of the workplace look like in your opinion, if you had to guess, like, and see what would the future of work be like, work reborn,
Yeah, I think I feel like AI will replace a lot of things for sure. But still, I would say, I mean, it's a bit on a pretty early stage where we don't know, I mean, how best this is going to be used. I mean, after attending this conference, there were a lot of talks about how AI is going to impact in a bad way as well, because they were talking about collection of data currently, and using the AI, the data could be encrypted quite easily in 2030. So
Right.
it's going to be a big problem. I mean, if people try to mine the data right now and keep
Right.
it ready, all these AI models, the destructive models comes in the future. I mean, it might be a problem. I mean, they could decrypt the things easily and break in the systems. That it's also trying to become a bit scary, actually.
Yeah, because it's new, right? But
Yeah,
I think it's important to have education
yeah,
around it so
yeah,
that you are ready. It's that AI readiness that
yeah.
everyone's been talking about
Yeah, I
as well
think
too.
that is also, I think, key thing. Probably we should have a real good AI act and make sure things are done it in a proper way. I mean, people don't distract and use that things in a wrong way. So that's the key thing. But I'm sure, I mean, many things will replace AI for sure.
Yeah.
But not like in next 1 or 2 years, but down the line there is a very good possibility for that.
Right. Well, luckily, our team at Lenovo were able to come in and help with some of that, make sure that proper protocols are put in
Yeah,
place.
exactly.
So, having a partner and maybe looking to third parties for some expert advice is going to be crucial, I think, as organizations
Yeah,
evolve. Would you agree?
yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so
Okay.
much for your time,
Thank you.
DJ. If
Thanks a lot.
anyone is interested in learning more about the Work Reborn report and some of the findings from our research, you can download it via the QR code on the screen here. Go ahead and scan it. Or if you would like to download it and you're listening to the podcast, check out the link in the show description below. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to the Lenovo Work Reborn podcast. To learn more about how Lenovo is helping organizations transform with AI, cybersecurity, and smarter IT solutions, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next conversation. And also, we'd love to hear from you. Make sure to leave a comment with any other questions that you would like us to discuss on our next episodes. See you next time.
Lenovo, Lenovo.